how to build a not too simple, but yet still simple, IMDB clone with Neo4j and the Python driver. The prerequisites for this course is some experience with Python, some experience with React, some knowledge of what Flask is. This could be your very first Flask project. What you don't need is a lot of experience with Neo4j or a lot of experience with the Neo4j Python driver. The point of this tutorial is to walk you through end-to-end how to model the data that's used in the database that powers this app, and how to get started building an app in Neo4j with Neo4j. If you want to brush up on your Python or your Flask beforehand, that might make things easier. You should know how to run a virtual environment. You should know basic Python and the very basics of how to start and run a web application on your local machine. We're going to be using Neo4j Sandbox to host a database for this tutorial, so you don't have to have Neo4j on your computer locally, even though that is an option for when the course is over. You can find more information about the Python driver under the neo4j.com/docs/API/python-driver/4.1, or you can just go to the documentation, click driver manual,